Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we're diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.36. Now, let us review the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have reaped an impressive gain of 18.49% since we first designated supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.80% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 55.99% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 40.39% to 62.27%. In terms of the longer horizon, our analysis over the past 12 months indicates a projected change of negative 17.32%. Based on our forecasts, the stock's performance could vary from negative 83.61% to negative 11.46% over the next year. Translated into current figures, this would suggest a future price between $8.49 and $45.84. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer highlights that the stock price declined by 1.86% on Friday. On the last trading day, the supermicrocomputer stock price decreased by 1.86%, moving from $52.75 to $51.77. During the trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.07%, with a low of $51.27 and a high of $53.87. The stock has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 6.83% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the direction of the stock price. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 309,000 shares, with a total of 31 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.61 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $82.19, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 37.01%, or $30.42, below the 52-week high, and 57.88%, or $71.13, below the all-time high recorded on March 8, 2024, when the price peaked at $122.90. Recent news surrounding supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, presents a compelling outlook for the company in both the short and long term. The tech stock is benefiting from a bullish trend alongside peers like Tesla and Palantir, suggesting heightened market interest and buying pressure. Analysts note that SMCI, previously undervalued after a significant fall, is now establishing a new base with potential to double its value due to solid growth momentum. Furthermore, SMCI has secured a purchase order with DigiPower X for systems powered by NVIDIA's B200, which will enhance their AI infrastructure platform, indicating SMCI's strong positioning within the booming AI market. This strategic partnership could significantly enhance revenue streams, driving interest in the stock. Moreover, there's increasing demand for advanced cooling technologies for data centers, which SMCI seems poised to capitalize on. The launch of their high-performance servers also hints at a robust product lineup that can cater to pressing industry needs. While technical analyses suggest the stock could see a significant rally in the near term, concerns about margin pressures and reliance on a limited client base do linger. However, given the current market conditions, SMCI's favorable developments could lead to an upward trajectory. making it a stock to watch as it potentially rebounds and solidifies its standing in the tech sector. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a sector weight grade with an initialized recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initialized recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James again assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initialized recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro computer stock. Their assessment indicates that the price-to-earnings ratio is considered neutral, as is the price-to-book ratio, which is also rated as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock an impressive strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro computer. The Supermicro computer stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support may be found at levels of $51.46 and $46. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been produced, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.72%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $46.15 and $45. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this instance, Supermicro computer finds support just below today's level at $46.15. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $45 and $38.89. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.60 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.07%. For the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 4.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 440,000. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Super Microcomputer is at $52.75. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Super Microcomputer encounters its first support level at $46.15. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Super Microcomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Leong Charles conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the same day, Lu Leong Chu Sara conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 1st of July 2025, Lu Leong Chu Sara conducted an insider purchase of 510 shares of common stock. On that same day, Lu Leong Chu Sara made another insider purchase, this time acquiring 820 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Lu Leong Chu Sara also conducted an insider sale of 275 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 83.690. Overall, insiders purchased 107,186 shares and sold 1,400,570 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $49.33, reflecting a decrease of 4.72%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Super Microcomputer stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of July, we anticipate that Super Microcomputer will open higher by approximately 53 cents, starting trading at $52.30. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.